up? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you are new. Hey girl, hey. Listen, do you see her? Do you see her? She's giving grown, sexy, sophisticated. She's going on a date tonight, okay? And she's serving, and that's just it. So let's get into this wig. It's really, really cute. It has 4C kinky edges if you're into that. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, I'm back. So today's wig is brought to you by ft.Unice. This is just what their packaging looks like. It has obviously the wig in the box, but then they had some goodies as well. I actually forgot to show the cutest goodie, which is the satin robe. It's like a pink satin robe, super cute. But let's get to the wig. So it is a 24-inch kinky straight 13x4 frontal with the 4C kinky edges, and as you can see right here, the edges are kind of brushed back into the wig, and it still looks really nice. But here they are pulled out, so you can see like they're very much so present, but they also kind of blend if you just like brush them back, because this is the wig and it's like, this is how it comes. It's like super kinky, but I love that this has a little bit more kink than like your regular kinky straight texture. And if you like frontal, you're gonna love this. Like the density of this frontal is bomb, okay? But the construction is just your typical construction. It has the elastic band that literally goes from one side to the other. Okay, so here's Miss Girl all washed and air dried, but I'm still about to just run the blow dryer through it to get like some of the kinks out, because if you see, it looked like I did like a braid out on it. This actually looks so fire, and the next time I wash this wig, I'm gonna wear it just like that, like all throughout the head. That's what it looks like. So I want to try to get some of that out and just really see like how much of this I could blow out before I go in with like a flat iron, because I might press it and then curl it. I'm not 100% sure, but here she is in all her glory. I'm also going like put some foundation to the underside of the lace to really like make it look as natural as possible. You see her with her kinky edges. So yeah, I'm about to just like basically get to styling. This hair feels very, very soft and very, very nice. So let's get into it. So here's the wig all blown out. I'm still going past the flat iron through it just because some of the pieces need to be kind of like pressed. I'm not trying to get all the crinkles out because I would never be able to do that, but I do want to get out as many as I can. I don't know which side is my good side. Which side is my good side? Which side do I look cute? I don't know. Side. Maybe this side. Yeah. Yeah, for sure.
Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Done dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. Done fucking with you, don't know how to love me. Done dealing with you, so it seemed like I get so much, I don't get nothing back. I really thought it was love, but you're so fucking whack. Always get caught up in love, but now you're done with that. I can't get caught up in love, so now I'm, flexing on my exes and my model legs. Pretty little, skinny, little bitty body model legs. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah.
Okay, so this is the final look. Let me just have a sidebar with you real quick. I have not worn strip lashes in a long time, or lashes this length in a long time. So the combination of the strip lash and the length, girl, I'm not even playing. I can't really see. I don't even know how I used to be doing this all the time, because I literally can't see. But let's get into the wig. So obviously, you know, I love the texture. I love anything kinky straight, kinky curly, afro kinky curly. Like, those is like my favorite textures. So it's a no-brainer that I love the texture. But I feel like the way I have it right now is giving very much so grown and sexy. And I have a date tonight, so you know. This wig is definitely big head friendly. If you like frontals and you like to lay frontal and you have a bigger size head, you will love this wig, because I literally have the strap, the adjustable strap that they have, pulled all the way to the other side. And I have the adjustable straps adjusted, like close, like literally on the hooks right next to each other, because like this wig is definitely big head friendly. Like, I had to really do all the things to get it to fit nice and snug on my head. So for me, this wig would not be like completely glueless. Like, obviously I don't have any glue on it right now, but I did have to like bring some of the edges into my own edges to kind of like help it secure and look more natural and stuff like that. But the sides are not, like, they don't lay flat. You get what I'm saying? Like, as you see, I could like literally pull them up because they are not like laying flat. So for me, this is not like a glueless situation. Like, I would need to like do something to like make sure when the wind blows it doesn't come up. And what I usually do is literally take this and I'll like tuck it like that, so if the wind blow, you can't like see lace, because on the sides the lace is not gonna just like stay flat unless you adhere it. So let's talk about the 4C kinky edges, because that is like the sell point with this wig, I feel like. And I love that they are doing that, because obviously right now I don't have the 4C kinky edges all the way like in use, right? Like, I kind of straightened them down a little bit, and then these sides I kind of swooped it into my own hair, so you can't even really tell that it's like 4C kinky edges because I've styled my edges. But if wearing this wig on an everyday basis in its natural kinky state, where it's not like pressed or anything, and you just have it looking like the blown out look, those kinky edges will really come in handy. Because for me, like, my edges are very, very kinky when they don't have any product on them. They look exactly like the edges on this wig, right? Like, kinky. So on an everyday basis, when you want to catfish and make it look like it's your hair, you can definitely do that with the 4C kinky edges. And again, that's the sell. It works. But yeah, it's not really much else to say about this wig. I really do love that it is kinky straight, because I'm just here for the kinky textures. I love that they added the kinky edges. You could either utilize them when you want to wear the wig in its more natural state, or you can press them out if you want to like wear it in a more like pressed out state, like how I have it right here. So it is versatile. So yeah, I definitely would recommend this wig. Like, it's a great quality wig. I love that they have the 4C kinky edge touch. Like, you know, that's a nice little added bonus to the wig. But honestly, for me, that wouldn't be the selling point, having the 4C kinky edges. It wouldn't be like, oh, I gotta get this because it got the 4C kinky edges. Like, no, I gotta get it just because the hair quality is nice, the kinky hair is beautiful, the length is fire. Like, you know what I'm saying? That's what it would be, not like because it's like, oh, it got 4C kinky edges. But you know, that's just between me. You don't tell nobody else I told you that. But yeah, once again, thanks to Unice for sending me over this wig and collaborating with your girl on today's video. Okay, I truly appreciate it. If you are interested in this wig or any other wigs that they may have, all of their information and the link to this wig specifically will be in the description box for you to check it out. So make sure you head down there to check it out and check out everything, because they do be having like discount codes and that kind of stuff. So check that out. Like, read thoroughly, find your discount code. Always try to get you a little bit of money off if you're going to be buying these expensive wigs. Okay, so that is it. I will catch you in the next one. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you are not subscribed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.